Hey YouTube, what's going on? So I'm really excited for this video because in this video I'm going to show you how to earn $24 for free on Autopilot. I'm going to show you how to make some money online. So if you're not quite sure how to make money, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to show you how to earn $24. And this is going to be something for free so you don't have to spend money in order for you to make money. I'll show you how to set up everything from start to finish. So don't try to skip ahead and try to watch the end of the video just to get all the secret stuff. So make sure you watch the entire video so that way you don't miss out on the most important things. And if this is your first time here, make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. And I want you to click down, leave me a comment in the comment section if this is your first time or it's your second time or you keep watching my videos again. So that way I'm going to be the first one to know. And if by any chance when I'm going through this video and you have a particular question, make sure you write it down, and at the end of the video, feel free to comment down below any questions you may have, and I'll make sure that I answer your questions in a timely manner, right? I'll make sure I reply to each and every one of them so you can get started. So yeah, there it is. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and for you to get started. So let's go straight into the video. So you want to head on over to this website. This website is called Kickstart.com. Now you probably see me pull up the pricing is because I want to show you the pricing that people will be paying. People are going to be paying for this, not you. You're not going to get it out of your pocket. I'm going to show you how it's done. So we're going to go over to the front. And what is Kickstart? Kickstart.co is a particular website that grows organically. It's an organic tool for Instagram. So there is no fake likes, there's no fake followers, there's no spam, there's no bots, there's none of that. One of the thing is a lot of people, especially small businesses, they want to grow their Instagram account. So if you can grow this organically where you don't have to worry about fake followers, fake likes, companies are willing to pay and they're willing to get started with this right now, because if you go on some of these companies' Instagram accounts, they have no engagement, they have no likes, and people will just say, okay, so what kind of business is this? And social media is the way to go where you can get real Instagram followers using this Kickstart tool that I'm going to explain to you. So far, as you can see there, they've been featured in the Forbes, Huffington Post, Entrepreneur Social Media Today. And if you come through here, you find profiles that are similar to yours. You auto engage with their followers and you get a follow back. So that's what the tool is. It's nothing like this. It's no fake stuff. You're not going to go on by cheap likes, cheap followers, cheap views, and all that. This is not what it's for. So this is a good stuff for many companies and many businesses who wants to get started. So how are we going to use this tool to dominate the industry? How are we going to use this tool to earn $24 over and over again? So as you can see down here, and as I scroll down, this is the plan. So it's like $49, and then you have $99 plan. Now you can get half of this, which is going to be $50. You can also get half of this, which is going to be around $24. Okay. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom here and you type in where it says affiliates, you can make money with Kickstart. So you can start making money right away using this tool. All you have to do is just spread the word with the software and you can earn money. So you can just sign up for their affiliate program just by clicking on here. And when you click on here, you'll see all the information. So you're going to get 50% off every sale that you refer. And anybody who signs up is going to get this money. So you're going to get it through your affiliate link. Make sure you put in your first name, make sure you put in your last name, email address, and of course password. And you're going to click on here where it says I'm not a bot. As always, click on the terms and conditions and you're going to sign up. So as soon as you sign up, make sure you check your email because you have to verify what the inside the email for you to get started. So that's how they do it, okay? And then once you do that, you gotta head on over back to Kickstart.com. As I said, it's a wonderful affiliate program. And right over here, you can see 50%. You're also going to get some monthly newsletter, new features if you want, 45-day cookie span. So what this 45-day cookie span is, if somebody actually click on your affiliate link and within that 40 days, if they purchase within that 45 days, you're still going to get commission. There's also bonus incentive for like extra monthly commissions. And if they buy past the 45 days, then you don't get the commission. But within that 40-day span, and that is a good thing. So we're going to head on over to Google and we're going to be finding customers. So first thing first, we'll come to Google and I'm just going to do this for example. Let's say you want to do small business in Burlington, Vermont. And you're going to click on the maps here. And then once you click on it, you will see all the little small businesses that's going to be popping up. There's Vermont Small Business Accelerator. These are small businesses. Century Small Business Solutions, Center for Women and Enterprise. There's Vermont Business Brokers. But what if we want to find, let's say, a restaurant, for example, restaurant in Burlington? So that's what we want to do. We want to find some restaurants because restaurant would be a good ideal client, would be an ideal people that you want to target. So all these places are close, but let's say farmhouse, this is good. We always try to find one that has very low rating, and when we find very low rating, then we could say, hey, we can boost you, we can help you, like this one. Let's go to the next page. When you go to the next page, this one is 80. There's 80 reviews on there. This is 38. So I'm going to click on this and see if they have any website. So you always want to look at it, see if they got website. Nobody claimed that business. Here's a website right here. So we'll click onto the website. We want to check it out. This looks fancy. I love this. It's a great restaurant. It's like wine and everything. Very casual. I like it. So they got Facebook and they have Instagram. So I want to check out their Instagram account and see if their Instagram account is good. Okay, so far I'm hovering. They have absolutely no engagement. There is nobody commenting. There is nobody. If you look on here, there's only one person. Click on done, right? That's it, right? Vermont restaurant need your help, right? Laid off, shutting the doors. All these people need help, right? So yeah, they need help. They need help to get their business back up and running. They're gonna need help. You know, see, it's been 3 weeks, right? 3 weeks since they are out. You know, check us out for a temporary home in pizza website. So they need people to get rolling. They cannot be closed forever. They have to start selling these things. So if you start to approach these restaurants and let them know that you can help them by if they use this particular tool, because this tool is going to give them real followers in their city. So if they get real people in their city to start engage on that, listen, everybody's going through a rough time, but if you can help out a business, they're going to be more than welcome to latch on and get rolling, right? These small businesses will get started and they will sign up for one of these because they need help. They need the help to grow their business, and $50 a month to get your business back on track to advertise it to a lot of people out there. I don't think that should be a problem because every business requires funding. So if you sign up for this and you start to advertise to restaurant, lots of different restaurants in different cities, reach out to them. How you're gonna reach out to them is on their website. You wanna click on you wanna go over either to their Facebook or you want to click on the contact section. So when you contact, you can email these people, drop them an email, let them know what's going on and see if you get replies. So you just gotta reach out to as many people as possible, and that's how you build your business, all right? So I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was very valuable, and that's how you can earn $24 for free on Autopilot. over and over again. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.